DK. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. There are lots of different types of octopuses. Greater blue-ringed octopus, common octopus, curled octopus, flapjack octopus, Atlantic white-spotted octopus, coconut octopus. O is for ocean. All octopuses live in the sea. O is for orange. This octopus is orange, but it can change to white. O is for oozing ink. When scared, octopuses squirt out a cloud of ink. O is for others. The mimic octopus pretends to be other animals as a disguise. Zebra sole, sea snake, lionfish. O is for oysters. Octopuses like to eat crabs, fish, and oysters. O is for objects. Octopuses can pick up objects with their 8 arms. O is for oval. Octopuses lay oval-shaped eggs. O is for octopus family. Octopuses are related to squid, cuttlefish, and nautiluses.